Hey guys, welcome back to War on Mechanics. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video guys to any of you having a Jeep Compass or Jeep Renegade. We'll be working on that engine that has been used in both vehicles guys. And if you have engine light on and any guys of the following four codes, I'm talking about code P2100, P2101 or code P2102 or code P2103. Stay with us guys and we'll explain the top two reasons that we see here at the shop that cause that. So make sure guys you stay until the end because it could be something that's actually not even part of the engine. You can see the engine, it's out of the car. Why? Because we guys did an engine replacement. In the meantime guys, we made about 100 videos showing you how to replace pretty much every component on that engine. Why we did that? Because with the engine out we can demonstrate where all the things are located. Otherwise it's practically impossible to show you with the camera guys. Now another thing, we're in the process of making about 100 guys videos for engine codes, diagnostics and common problems. Why we do all that? We do it guys because our mission at the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel and like the video. Now any of you guys that need to buy any replacement parts, tools, anything like that to fix your engine, check out the links shared in the description of the video below. We constantly guys get comments in our comment section what scanner we use and what scanner we recommend. Now this is guys the scanner that I'll probably recommend. This is the one that I use all the time here at the shop, everyday use guys. It's affordable to the point that it can pay itself off pretty much in one-time use. It works on all US vehicles guys, pretty much almost all European cars as well, even Lamborghinis, Bentleys guys, and it works on all Asian vehicles, Lexus, Toyota, Honda. So really cool too guys, even on a Nissan GTR. So this is our everyday tool, and if you're on the market for a good scanner, check this thing out. We'll have the link in the description of the video below. Now this is the engine right here. Usually you will have a black engine cover. We painted ours white to look a little bit better. We have a video coming soon how to paint the cover if you need to repaint yours. But what you need to do, just grab it with two hands guys. Okay, just grab it and pull it straight up. I have everything pre-loosened, so it's not as easy as you think, but it attaches to these four posts right here, you can see. So all you have to do, just grab and yank it out. Now I have everything pre-loosened here. Okay, we'll need to remove that air temperature sensor connector here, but I have that clamp pre-loosened. I remove that clip, I remove one bolt here, but I'm going to remove the air duct because we need to get to the throttle body, and I want to explain guys, okay, what can cause that code and how to fix it. So this is guys, okay, this is your throttle body right here. That's what it looks like. Okay, this is the throttle body guys, and things that can cause that now, okay, this is the number one problem. It could be the throttle body, but many things can happen here. It could be even a dirty throttle body sometimes that's sticking guys, so make sure it's not dirty. We have a video that explains how to clean throttle body. It could be a loose wiring connector. Make sure that it's plugged all the way in. That red thing needs to be pushed all the way in. I'll go ahead and disconnect it, okay, and show you. Now your wire will be disconnected like that. You need to push it all the way in, and when it's all the way in, you will be able to lock that red thing. Make sure you lock it, so that way guys, okay, it cannot get loose from vibrations. Another thing guys, it could be just a bad throttle body, and that happened quite often as well. We have a video on the channel that explains how to replace throttle body. But what else controls the throttle body? Pretty simple guys. The throttle accelerator pedal inside guys, the gas pedal that you press to accelerate, it actually sends signal to the throttle body. So in some very rare cases guys, okay, it could be the gas pedal as well. And we have a video on the channel coming soon guys. We'll have a video coming actually soon how to test accelerator pedal. So you definitely guys want to check that before you replace the accelerator pedal and know for sure if it's throttle body or accelerator pedal. But those are the two most common things related with these codes guys. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching guys. Please subscribe to the channel for more help and see you guys next time.